guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of my Scentsy Whiff box. On top you always get a little piece of paper. This one says take a look. And there's always something inside. Sometimes you get like gift tags or like a different activity. In the back of it, there's some samples on top. This is the lemon verbena dish soap, which I believe I had a long time ago. So I got 2 samples of that. Also have some Scentsy soak. This is Cozy Cardigan. It has rose, amber silk, and soft suede. So you just put this in your tub to soak in, and that's a huge 2-pound bag of that. They also sent a scent circle around the campfire. Ooh, one of the fall and winter 2020 catalogs. I love looking through there to see what new warmers they have. I haven't bought a new warmer in the longest time, but yeah, they have Disney stuff now. All sorts of stuff. So that'll be exciting to go through. And inside this bag, they put all the bars and samplers. I always put ice pack in there so that the wax doesn't melt. Autumn Road Trip. That has a very nice scent. I like that one a lot. Almond Croissant. I love the smell of almond and almond extract. I hope that's what this smells like. And it does. It smells like almond, kind of smells like some baked goods, so that smells good. Oh man, didn't get my little pods that I love so dearly. I think that's the only month that I haven't gotten them. Next up is apple and oats. That's a nice cinnamon apple type scent. And the last one is the scent of the month. It's aloe vera and ivy. Interesting combination. That has a nice clean scent to it. It kind of smells like cucumbers. So there's 4 bars this month, 2 samples, and a scent circle. And probably why they didn't put the samples in extra pods and stuff like that is because I want to say this is expensive. This is a 2-pound bag. And I'm kind of bummed about that. I love those little pods. I wish they would make a box every month with just those little sample pods. Those are my favorite. That way you can try multiple different scents. I love that. That'd be a cool idea. But if you guys would like to buy anything from Scentsy or sign up for this box, I have a link below for the girl I use. And then my coldest water bottle, there's also a link below for a giveaway. And if you want anything from there, I have a 10% off code as well. So make sure you check out the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.